Hi there, this is our YLM hydraulic CNC tube bender. Taiwanese, really good quality. It's got some really good features on it. You've got your touch screen control over here, which has also got the 3D simulator so you can view what it is you're going to be bending. Your remote foot pedal, and as well as that on there, you've got an emergency stop foot pedal on that. It's got a really good amount of formers that come with it, and a couple of them are aluminium by the look of it, and it's also got the dual stacker set up here, so you can stack the formers on it too high for doing multiple type bends, etc. And also it's got a nice wee former set which is for the roll bending. So that's for the 25mm. So I've gone and set up the normal drawer bending on the bottom, that set there, and then the roll forming on the top, which is for your larger radius that you want. It ticks over really nicely, and is a whole lot of kit with some really good features. So obviously it does manual single steps, and also in the auto program you can do a single step as well, and obviously the full auto cycle. We've just gone to set it up for the auto cycle and just put something very roughly together to show you it working. So I'll start that now. So it's going to be doing two types. One is it's going to be using the draw bending former down the bottom, and then secondly it's going to be using the roll former which I've got up top. So basically it's ready to put the material in, and when I start it it'll clamp the material and then start the auto cycle. So it's just using that bottom drawer former there. Now it's setting up for the roll former, so it's running that roll former now. It's revolved the tube. And that's basically finished its short auto cycle. I'll hit that once and it drops that out, so I can remove the material and then just hit that again to home position it. And that's pretty much it. So it is a really good machine. It's got a really good selection of formers, a bit of a mixture of aluminium and mild steel. It has got that dual stacking set up there for the two high formers, and also having that wee roll bending dies for the 25mm will be handy for someone as well. So there it is, it's all set to go.